Hi everyone, welcome back. We are the fourth and final week of the Leaf Collection Spotlight Stamp class. I do hope you've enjoyed putting the cards together so far. So for the fourth and final week, I am going to show you how to make this card design. Now this card design, you'll notice there's two colours in that background image, and I'm going to show you how to do that. How you can achieve that look. So for this, you're going to need a sponge dauber. Now I've got a sponge dauber that's predominantly purple, been used for purple, but you could use any colour. In your card kit, fourth and final card kit, you have a card base cut from Petunia Pop card. You have a layer of boho blue card that you can stick onto the front. And then you have two layers of basic white card. They're both the same size. So what you want to do is you want to stick one of them inside the card, not on the front, but inside the card. Okay. You can pop that to one side. So I'm going to pop that. Well, let's bring in the grid paper first. Grid paper in. Card over there, and then we want this piece of white, and we want our stamp. Sorry, lost the plot there for a moment. So when you're doing this technique, I've gone for a light colour and sort of a darker colour, and what you want to do is you want to start with your lighter colour and you want to add that ink really lightly, okay, like so. And then you're going to take your darker ink, so in this case it's the purple, and where there's not a lot of that in first colour, you're going to add in some of the second colour. Okay, so this will give you a sort of very, very varied look. And when you're happy with what you've got, you're going to take your piece of card, and in the same way as we've done for all of the other designs, you're going to lay your piece of card on, and you're going to run your acrylic block over it. Peel it off, and you have something that looks like that, which is just beautiful. Okay. So quite simply, this card is so quick once you've done that. You're going to lay that on the top. Sorry, stick that to the front. Like so. And that is your background. So pretty. And then you've got your sentiment. So your sentiment, you've got a strip of boho blue card. And I'm going to stamp Happy Birthday onto that sentiment strip with boho blue ink. I'm going to stamp it in the middle. And then I'm going to attach that to my card with some foam pads. So that was super quick. So although it's the last card, I think it's probably the quickest one, but with a lovely technique. And that's just going to get stuck across my card, and it's done. So guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching and following along. I do hope you've enjoyed creating those cards. For the month of July, I'm going to be using the Racing by stamp set. I'm changing the name of this class slightly. I'm changing it to Online Coffee and Card, and these are two of the cards that you're going to be making in the class. There will be 4 cards throughout the month of July. Everything will be provided for you, including the stamp set. You'll just need to provide your own inks, and booking for that is open as we speak. It will close on the 7th of June. And if you have any comments or questions, please do get in touch. Thank you so much for supporting me. I do really appreciate it. And I look forward to speaking to you soon. Bye for now, everyone.